What's up, everybody? It's
Cold Man Crypto.
coming at you with another crypto video. Let's get it. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Voyager app to get started investing in crypto. I am not a registered financial advisor. Everything that I say in my videos is for educational purposes only. You should always do your own research before investing your money into anything. Now let's get started. Alright, so first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to download the Voyager app onto your mobile device. I recommend using the link in the description below just to make sure that you download the correct app, especially if you're using an Android. Once you have the Voyager app downloaded, open it up, click sign up. You're going to type in your email, create a good password, and then if you would like $25 worth of free Bitcoin, you can enter the code CODB70 in the referral code box. Check the box to agree to the terms, click continue. After you click continue, you will need to provide some basic information required by the government under the USA Patriot Act, Know Your Customer, and Anti-Money Laundering Regulations, KYC and AML for short. Once your account is approved, you will then need to link a bank account to get started trading. From the main screen, click the user icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. Then select Bank Accounts, then Add Bank Account. These steps will take you through a secure bank linking platform called Plaid. You will then be prompted to sign into your bank account to allow Plaid to link your bank to Voyager. So once you're ready for trading, you can scroll through and see all the crypto assets that Voyager offers. But for the example, just because Bitcoin's king, click on your asset. You've got your chart right here, your price chart. And you can also change the time frame of the price chart. So you've got your 1 hour chart, your 1 day chart, 1 week chart, 1 month chart, and 1 year chart. Alright, so to buy Bitcoin in 3 easy steps, click on your asset, click buy Bitcoin, enter the amount that you want to purchase, and then slide to buy it. You'll get that confirmation that your order has been submitted. Then you'll wait, and once that order is filled, you'll open up your portfolio and you'll see that it's sitting in there. So that's pretty much it with how to sign up and use the Voyager app. If you enjoyed or learned anything from this video, please hit that like button and subscribe with bell notifications to be notified as soon as I drop another video. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Peace!